Are you looking for an easy way to get your car insured without leaving your home? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get TD car insurance online in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get a quote, choose coverage, and even get your proof of insurance, completely digitally. First, head over to the official TD Insurance website at tdinsurance.com. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid scams and get the accurate information you need. Once you're there, navigate to Auto Insurance or Car Insurance. TD offers coverage for all types of personal vehicles, from cars to SUVs and trucks. Next, click on Get a Quote. This is where you'll enter some important information so TD can generate a personalized insurance quote for you. You'll need to provide your personal details like name, date of birth, address, and driver's license information. Your vehicle details, including the make, model, year, and VIN. Your driving history, such as accidents, tickets, or previous claims. And finally, your coverage preferences, whether it's liability, collision, comprehensive, or any optional add-ons. Once all your information is entered, TD will create a personalized quote. Take your time to review the different coverage options and compare the premiums. This is your chance to see what works best for your budget and needs. When you're ready to move forward, purchasing your policy online is straightforward. Simply review your chosen plan, confirm your payment details, and sign electronically. There's no need to visit a branch. Everything can be done from the comfort of your home. After your purchase, you'll instantly receive your proof of insurance. This includes a digital insurance card that you can save on your phone or print, along with your full policy documents sent to your email. And if you ever have questions along the way, TD makes it easy to reach out. You can chat online with an agent or call for support to clarify coverage or explore potential discounts. Getting car insurance doesn't have to be complicated. With TD, you can go from quote to coverage in just a few clicks, all from the comfort of your home. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drive safely and see you in the next video.